Hi everyone, I'm Jesse from Farol Ltd. I'm stood here with Ollie, who is our salesman for the ag side at Farol Ltd. He's brought these 3 tractors out behind us, which are on a summer special here. So I'm going to hand you over to Ollie and he'll tell us a bit more about them.
Thanks Jesse. We've got our 3 summer sizzling deals here, 6155R, 6175R and the slightly larger 6195R. All auto track ready. That means you can put the dome on them and they're ready to go to work in the field under GPS guidance. All on Bridgestone tyres, all on air brakes. So let's have a little look at each one in particular. Hi, this is our 6155R tractor. It's on Bridgestone tyres, 50k auto power, 3 electric spools, air brakes. It's a great summer tractor. It's good for the corn cart. It's probably our best selling tractor actually. Take 1, 6175R, TLS, which means triple link suspension. Again on Bridgestone tyres, 50k auto power, 3 electric spools, and this tractor is actually a premium edition. It's got the panoramic sunroof, and yeah, auto track ready for the GPS dome to go on. It's a jack of all trades, this tractor. It can do the field work and the haulage as well. We're at the business end of the 6195R. As you can see, it's on the larger size tyres, Bridgestone 710s. We've got 4 spools, all electrically operated. It's auto track ready. TLS again, and it's again a premium edition with the 50k auto power.